I tried to use my ring light to film this video. Come to find, it's not working anymore. Yeah, okay, cool. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So very recently, one of the people who watched my videos left a comment saying that they wanted to start a YouTube channel and they just didn't know how to go about it. I just wanted to make more of a motivational video, I guess, of how to go about it and hopefully help the girl who made the comment, and also maybe other people who have this same idea of wanting to start a channel but not quite understanding how to go about it. I'm just gonna do like quite an unstructured talky video, and hopefully in like my ramblings something good comes out of it, because I have actually been on YouTube for about 7 years. It doesn't seem like it, but I've been here for a while. I had been watching YouTube maybe for 2 years, watching like fashion and that kind of thing on YouTube, and I was like, this is really cool, like I really enjoy this, I want to do it. I wasn't really worried really, because I knew I didn't have many people watching me, so I had no problem like uploading videos. I think that's one of the hurdles that a lot of people face when they're about to start a channel. The most important thing is, do you enjoy doing it? And if the answer is yes, then absolutely no reason why you can't do it. So you'll find that when you're filming, you're literally just sat there talking to yourself. It's not deep. It's actually not deep. I used to just come back from college and be like, I really like this outfit today, so let me make a video and talk about it. Yeah, I was just doing that as and when I felt like it. A lot of people will make a video saying how to start a YouTube channel, and one of the tips they'll give is make sure you have like a schedule and you post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because if you don't post all the time, no one's gonna care, people are gonna lose interest, people are gonna stop watching your videos. But like, I feel like that's very misleading. I feel like YouTube, people complain about this, but personally I still feel like it's somewhere you can just come and do your thing when you feel like it and then go live your life, unless you're doing it for work. But if you're just starting out and you just want to do it just for fun, I see no problem with simply posting when you feel like it. And don't worry about like what people would think of you, whether people are gonna like your videos. The joke is, you'll actually find that by being yourself, people will latch onto that, and people will see your what's the word, authenticity. Ooh, big words today. People will see your authenticity if you're just yourself, and that's what's gonna attract people. So be yourself in your videos and upload as and when you feel like it. These are my tips. Actually, I'm naturally coming out with tips now. This is working. Okay, so be yourself in your videos. Upload when you feel like it, not because you feel like you have to, not because you feel like you have to have a schedule. Just do it because you're like, you know what, I feel like filming today, or you know what, I have an idea, like let me put it into action and actually film it or something. Once you get into it, it's almost like an urge you get to make a video. When I'm sat here filming, I don't think about the fact that this is going to be online and people are going to watch it. There isn't another you on YouTube. That's another thing that should motivate you. And that was one thing for me, I think, is I wasn't really seeing people that, I wasn't really seeing people that like necessarily represented me, I felt. So I was like, I'm gonna go out there with my glasses and the fact that I'm black and I've got my natural hair and I'm just a girl from London. You bring yourself to it, you know. I thought, I'm so shy and quiet and all this, like who's actually gonna relate? But you find that people will. Like there's people who are quite similar to you out there who will be grateful that you are putting yourself out there. I would say get started and film a video. If you have an idea, film it and then post it. And don't be like watching the numbers or like how many people have seen it. Like just keep going, you know. Like whenever you get an idea, do it again, film it, edit it, upload it. In time you'll get into the groove of it, or maybe in time you even realize, actually I don't enjoy doing this. But you'll never really know until you actually try. So that would be my advice, is just try. And what's the worst that could actually happen, you know? You don't have to be a specific type of person to make videos. I'm literally as regular as it gets. Like, I'm such an ordinary person, and there's nothing special about me that means that I'm able to make a video and you aren't. You could help so many people. You could touch so many people's lives. You could be the reason that someone cheers up at the end of a really bad day. It could be you. Like, you could be that, like, reason for someone. Do it because you like doing it. Do it because you enjoy it. I would not still be making videos 7 years later if I didn't enjoy it. I am not a popular YouTuber. I'm not, like, known or whatever. I definitely do this because I still enjoy it 7 years on, and I think that's where the fun comes from. Is just, it's such a fun hobby. It's such a fun way to, like, release your thoughts and your creative energy. I would definitely advise it. I hope this video helps. I don't know if it did. I really don't know if it did, but I really hope it did. Yeah, I'm, like, so ordinary. Literally, like, I wish I could show you how normal I am. If you want to make a channel, totally do it. Like, definitely do it. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you do, like, you can just put your videos on private, you know, like, it's not the end of the world. So yeah, hope this helped. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.